Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I just started this particular video and I'm using the alcohol inks, Pinata alcohol inks, because I had a little go with them yesterday, had lots of fun, turned out really nice for my first try. I just had a second try and oh my goodness, I used with this isocol rubbing alcohol, it's only 64%, and it didn't seem to work too well with it. I don't know if anybody else has got any input they can give me about that. Now I've got the pure isopropyl alcohol that I've put in these little containers, and I'm going to put some of the colours in. As you can see, I've already put the, what colour is that? Sun Bright Yellow, and I have used the Passion Purple. I started it and it completely went messy with the other alcohol, I just used. So did I just put some of that? Yeah, I did, didn't I? That's orange. Orange, 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 and I want a rainforest green. So I am only learning these myself. I have no real idea what I'm doing. That's a magenta. But I've just seen that people put them in alcohol, so to obviously give them more spreading space and work with them that way. So I'm trying something that my friend told me. I'm not sure if... Okay, and the paint, yeah, I'm having an idea that my friend gave me. I'm using this bleed proof paper now. I just tried this paper on the other side, which is shiny, and it sort of all just run off. So I'm trying it on this side now. So I've got this bleed proof paper. I'm going to just have a little go with this and see. Oh, that's a nice colour, isn't it? See how I go this time. Just got a little idea that I was given, and I'm going to see if it works. This is the yellow. Probably don't need too much on this particular small piece of sheet of paper, and I will put a bit of that purple in. That's just gorgeous. So I'm not sure whether I should run this off a bit. Maybe I'll try. I'll just run it off or into each other. Oh no, it might just go muddy, hey. Oh, I don't want it to go muddy. I think I should run it a bit over the... Oh, that sent it a bit... Silly Gilly. Okay. I'm told that maybe I should be using Yupo paper, but this is what I had, so I just want to use up what I had. Put a bit more. I've sent all the colours a bit yucky over that end, but I love the bright colours up this end, so I will work with this. It's not as easy as it looks, I can tell you. Okay, let's do this. Let's just dry it off a bit. Use my dryer to just a bit. I'm liking this end very much. Now, my friend said you can put, because she knows how I love circles, so Put these Duvalakis, just little cups. You know, I love balloon kissing. I wonder if it'd actually balloon kiss. Let me try that while I'm here. That would be... Okay, this is just that little balloon with water. I'm just going to see if I can balloon kiss. Kind of comes out. My dogs, I'm going to plonk on one there. Going off at a kangaroo and they will not stop. I've been down there, chased them. They're in the bush, so I don't want to go into the bush. Anyway, well, this is quite fun. Fun. Maybe I'll put another cup in there. And a cup there, a cup there. Put that little one there. Yeah, okay. Now I'm probably going to blow the whole lot off if I use my dryer, heat one. So let's give it a go. Just do it from high up. Now I'd like to, rich gold, I'd like to add a bit of gold in here because I think it will. I'll put a bit of that in there. I'm just going to put this in directly from the bottle. Oh, smell of alcohol. I'm going to be sozzled. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not supposed to. Okay. Okay. Maybe I could use my markers. Do I have a white? These are my dual tip markers. These were Montmartre dual tip markers. Don't know if that works or not. These markers are great because they've got the two ends, so very good. Very happy with those. Great. Well, I reserve judgment until it's dry. Maybe I shouldn't have added these blobs like that. I should have done a better job of those. But as I said, these are my first venture into alcohol inks. I had fun, and I don't think that's too bad. But I will wait till it dries. I'll put some photographs on there, but at least I got my beloved little discs and circles and kissy like things in there that I love to do. And I used my balloon in alcohol inks. The colours are so bright and vibrant. I think that would look really nice when it's dry, and if I get the correct paper, maybe this is okay, I'm not sure. But I will have to do some investigating. But thank you guys for joining me again. Something a little bit different than the acrylic art, but it was very enjoyable, very easy. And obviously, as you pick up your own style in it, or your own, whatever you want to do. You can do whatever you want to do, can't you? So I had fun, and it's actually drying before my eyes. Very, very pretty, like almost 3D. So wait on for the photos that I will put when it's completely dry. So until tomorrow, take care, you lovely people. Wish you all well, and join me tomorrow. So bye for now. I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow